middleweight robots coming from BYU. Its original driver, John, is away doing another tournament, but his younger brother is here.
He's at a wedding.
He's at a wedding?
Yes.
Oh, he's at a wedding.
The tournament of life.
We're very excited for the spots. We got Shutbot and Orbit. Anything you want to say?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. That's some staff talk coming from Orbit. He's ready.
Anything you want to say? He's ready. Okay.
Audience, are you ready? Oh, yeah. All right. Let's get this giveaway going. We got Orbit already waiting. So, Blue Square, are you ready? Red Square, are you ready? All right, let's get some bot. On your mark. 3, 2, 1, fight. Shutbot coming in, waving at each other. Orbit coming in, some sparks to fly already. Shutbot sparks to keep him away. This is good control coming from him. Coming in, that's that side armor.
Oh!
There's some action back going on here. He wants more. Oh! He comes into the side, shoots him in, knock him out.
He's upside down! Orbit goes again. He just gyroed himself upwards. Shutbot on the way. Shutbot's ready to push him on his back, but Orbit is ready to blow arm. Oh, the lift! That's a lift!
That's almost a lift. Shutbot is a very durable bot. It seems he's able to keep that heavy weapon from hitting him. That's a boost. All confident there. The speed and aggression is magnificent in these bots. I love it. The 4-wheel drive. Oh, he gets him up on the side.